Hi, I'm Maria Christensen. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on how to use the pop-up dies from Creative Expressions. This one's called On the Road, designed by Cathie Shuttleworth, and it's a great intricate die, so you're going to cut out all the details, but also at the same time it's going to create these score lines to create the pop-up effect. Okay, so that's all you need. A couple of pieces of A4 card cut longwise, and that's about 15 centimeters across there. So I folded one in half for the card blank. Okay, so all we need to do is place our die so that where it takes a sharp angle on the die is where you line up halfway. So I've made a mark halfway along that card there. Line it up with that. I mean, you could make a mark here, but it is quite easy to see. And so all we need to do is to pop that through our die cutting machine. Okay. And that's going to do everything you need to do to create that pop-up effect. So if I just take that off here, you can see that that's cut out all those details. I've got one ready to go. They're all, as you can see, going to all pop up nicely. So we'll shift this out of the way, move the machine out of the way. So I've got one here that's we've taken out all the so-called waste, which a lot of it you can actually use in paper piece, etc. Okay, so we just need to bend these areas. So where the score line is along here, I usually just get a ruler and put that against there and fold it up against it on there, and also the centre line, where that's going to be on your card fold there. Like so. Now once those two are in place, it's quite easy then to tease the tab. So you just tease it into place so it knows where it's got to go. And then because we've already scored those down, it automatically falls into place. Just use your bone folder or similar just to crisp up those folds. And then all we need to do is to get our card blank and our glue and just place the glue around there, making sure that we don't put any glue on the bits that are going to be popping out. And then just put those centre folds together. This is why it's nice to use wet glue, because you can just move that around if you need to. Okay. Like so, and then close the card, and then do the same on the bottom. Close the card against it, and that's it. As easy as that, and we have a beautiful card, pop up, nice wow feature, and obviously you can then decorate it as a wish. But it is so easy and lots of fun.